in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, and if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Ebonyline.com. Today's unit is from the brand Bobbi Boss, and I got her in the style MLF233 Avri and in the color HL Copper/1B. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan Dotson. But enough about that, let's go ahead and get into the video. So let's go ahead and talk about Miss Avri from Bobbi Boss. But actually, really quick, I'm going to give a little disclaimer. If you hear any banging or knocking in the background, my neighbor, they're like building a covering, I guess you could say, for their backyard. So hopefully the background music in this video and also my voice will drown them out, but if not, I do apologize. But anyways, let's talk about Miss Avri. To start off, according to the stock card, it says that she has a 13x4 hand-tied free parting lace. She has a pre-plucked hairline. She comes with a Medi Fresh safe and clean cap, and that she's also heat styling safe. Now it doesn't say to what degree it's safe for heat, but let's be real, it's synthetic, so I would keep it extremely low. This unit does come in an array of colors, and I'll make sure to have it on the screen here. As far as the texture goes, she is obviously a very silky unit, and then as far as the length goes, I would say that she's about 12, maybe 14 inches long. As far as everything that's listed on the stock card, I would agree with it 100%. She's for sure a 13x4, and as far as the pre-plucked hairline goes, she does look pre-plucked, but I can see somebody going in and plucking some more. Now me personally, I am not a big plucker of synthetic units, but I don't know, I kind of want to get into it later on in the year. As far as the Medi Fresh safe and clean cap, I don't really get why they say that. It says that it's supposed to block UV rays and it's supposed to be antibacterial and great for ventilation, but honestly, between me and you, I feel like it's just a regular wig cap. I don't know. But then also, as far as the safe heat styling, she's for sure safe heat styling. I put some heat on her. I kept it very low. I think I put my hot comb at like 290, and yeah, it did just fine. Now let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons regarding this unit, and of course we're going to start with the cons first. My first con would be that she does shed. Now it's not excessive shedding, but there's some shedding there nonetheless, and I'm thinking it's more so from the color right here in the front. Whenever I pull out the strands anyways, it's more so this color more than it is the 1B. My next con on this unit would be she doesn't necessarily tangle, but she does snag a bit. While I was running my fingers through the hair, every now and then I would get like some snags and I would have to be a little bit forceful to get my fingers through, so that's something to look out for. My next con on this unit, you're probably going to be like, girl, what? But for me, it's the 13x4. I don't know. I know that 13x4 is very common and standard, but for this unit, I would have really liked her if she would have been a 13x6. I feel like I don't know, I just feel like the parting space in this is just a little bit too short. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros regarding this unit. And to start off, the color. I absolutely love the color of this unit. Now I'm pretty sure somebody would consider this more of a fall type of color, but I don't know, I feel like this is a color that could be worn year round, and I'm here for it. My next pro on this unit would be the density of her. To me, she's a very light density, which if you're not new to the channel, then you know I typically consider those type of units everyday type of units, and she's definitely giving me an everyday type of feel. My next pro on this unit would be the curls on her. It's giving very effortless, beachy type of feel, and again, I'm here for it. My next pro on this unit would have to be the lace on her. Now when I first pulled her out the package, I was a little bit worried because she looked really gray to me, but I think also what worried me was because I realized that I ran out of my even lace tint spray. So I was like, okay, what am I gonna do? But I just went ahead and used my powder foundation to put on the inside of her, and I feel like that helps it, but usually I do the even lace tint spray and then I put bronzer on the perimeter of her. I didn't put any bronzer on the perimeter of this unit, and she still blended in pretty well. Now I did have to go in twice with my even lace bond, the one that comes in the black can, and spray her down and hold her down in order for her to melt, but I feel like it looks pretty good. Next, let's go ahead and talk about the price of Miss Avri. On Ebonyline.com, she does retail for $36.99, and I'm clicking through right now, and that's even with the specialty colors. So she's $36.99 across the board, which means she's very affordable. If I'm thinking correctly, this is an older unit from Bobbi Boss. I want to say she's about a year old, but even though she's a year old, she's still that girl, or can be that girl. I think she'd be perfect for this spring and summer, heck honestly all year round. I like the cut of her, I like the density of her, I like the effortless curls of her. I don't know, she just seems perfect. Let me know if you have Avri or if you plan on picking her up down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they are both at @Dotson. Thank you again to Ebonyline for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. I'll make sure to have a direct link to her in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.